AI can write, but let's be honest, it can also miss the mark big time. Here's how to create high-quality AI SEO content that's helpful to both search engines and real people using just two tools: Ahrefs Keywords Explorer and Ahrefs AI Content Helper. Step 1. Find relevant keywords your content can rank for. Any successful SEO content rests on the keywords it's targeting. So, use Ahrefs Keywords Explorer to find the ones with the best potential. We're gonna be smart though. Instead of adding a generic keyword, we'll use the AI prompt at the bottom to search after AI-generated keyword suggestions. It has 10+ presets that can help you find specific types of keywords for the brand you're writing for. For example, if you're writing for a gardening website, you could try searching for emerging trends related to gardening. If you already have a topic in mind, like say xeriscaping, then enter it into Keywords Explorer and analyze how easy it is to rank for it and whether or not it's worth the effort. Since the keyword difficulty is hard and there are over 500 keyword ideas about this topic, you'll need to refine your target more and pick an angle that has better chances of succeeding with SEO. So click on the number to go to the matching terms report. Then search after easy to rank for keywords with a keyword difficulty score of up to 10 that have a decent search volume of say minimum 100. All that's left is to select an angle that best matches the brand you're writing for. Which brings us to step 2. Identify search intents. Search intent refers to the underlying reason behind the search query. Why does it matter? Well, the better your article aligns with the user's search intent, the higher its chances of ranking well in Google. However, this process can be quite manual, as it requires analyzing the top ranking pages one by one for a given keyword. Here's how to automate it with AI. Just go to Ahrefs AI Content Helper, add your keyword, leave the URL field empty, and hit Create Document. By default, our AI will automatically identify multiple search intents based on the competing articles, so you can pick the ones that's best suited for your future article. You can also click on the eye icon to remove competing content that's not down your content aisle, like a directory website, social media page, or government website. Use this with discretion though. After choosing the search intent, you'll be taken to the bread and butter of AI Content Helper, a standard content editor with a menu on the right side that covers a content score, currently 0, and all the subtopics covered by the selected competing pages. Now that we've got competitive insights in place, it's time for step 3. Generate an appropriate title for your article. You could eyeball a few of the topics for unique angles, but the easiest way is to click on the chat function on the right and chat with the AI much like you would with a writing assistant. Here's the prompt I've used. Feel free to pause the video to write it down. Based on the competing topics found, craft 5 unique, high-impact and SEO-optimized titles for your topic, with each title tackling a different angle. Hit enter and I've got 5 unique, high-impact, SEO-optimized titles for xeriscaping ideas. I'll copy-paste the third one into the editor. If you're not that comfortable with prompts though, you could just click on the title tag section to either use one of the AI-generated titles or take inspiration from the competition. And we're down to step 4. Generate an article outline. An outline is synonym to a blueprint. It will help you organize your thoughts and concentrate on the right topics to further expand with AI. For this purpose, we'll use the chat function and prompt the AI to generate an article outline based on the competing main topics plus the existing title in the content editor, and paste the title. After its job is done, we'll simply copy-paste the outline into the editor. This is not enough though. We still need to check for potential content gaps that the AI might have overlooked by mistake. Remember, we're in the driving seat, not the AI. To do so, go to the headings section and skim through the headings covered by your competitors. For example, in our case, Martha Stewart's article tackled Mediterranean plants, while our AI missed it. To add it to the content editor, simply place your cursor under the designated section. I'll place it under the H2 Easy Xeriscaping Ideas, then hover over the missing heading and click Insert. The idea here isn't to copy their headings exactly, but rather to choose the things you want to cover and their order. Okay, the title and article outline are all set. We're now ready for step 5. Enrich the article with experimentation, experience, and effort, one paragraph at a time. And the reason we're recommending this is because most content today is arbitrary, simply moving information from one place to another. Now, of course, you can use AI Content Helper's native editor to expand each heading from the article outline. In fact, it's quite easy. Just select a chunk of text and ask the AI to expand on it and turn it into a paragraph. But this is just the bare minimum. To put it the other way, if you can create content with AI, so can your competitors. Thankfully, there are 3 ways you are uniquely qualified to add value beyond AI: experimentation, experience, and effort. You can use this to create sections your competitors don't have and cannot easily copy. Let's take the section on maintenance tips for a Xeriscape yard. While it covers the essential maintenance tasks, it might be helpful to mention what tools are needed to perform them so that the reader is prepared. I'll hit enter, and the section is now much more informative. There are other ways to enrich an article, like running experiments and supplying up-to-date data on a topic, or interviewing prominent people in your industry. The bottom line is to use your brain and put in the effort to create assets that AI cannot easily replicate. This information gain will, in return, make your article more credible. Alright, the next step is to optimize your content for SEO and cover topical gaps. When your article is close to 80% done, you'll get a full report on your topic coverage, with scores, topic overview, and relevant terms. Your job is to scroll through the topics and pay close attention to those with a low score, like ornamental grasses in our case. If you press View Details, you can get word-for-word recommendations on how to improve your article, including examples on how the competition does it. Incorporate them into your article, but in your own words this time. Don't plagiarize, and you should see an uptick in your overall content coverage score. A word of advice: don't over-optimize topics with a score between 75 and 80. It's more effective to focus on a topic with a score below 50, as this indicates a real topical gap. The final step of creating AI SEO content is to fast-check it. AI is known for mistakenly generating incorrect, misleading, or completely fabricated facts that may appear plausible when in fact they aren't, a term commonly known as hallucination. So, as a safety measure, read through the final article and double-check all the facts and data you've included. Also make sure all the sources cited lead to credible sources. If you still have doubts, you can use Ahrefs' free AI detector. And that's how you create a high-quality SEO-optimized article with AI from start to finish in roughly 1 hour. For a similar but more detailed SOP on automating your AI content creation process, check out our blog article, link in the description below. See you in the next video.